Hi, my name is Vinutha. I am studying at Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science. I got an opportunity to attend Skill Up workshop on industrial drawing and Gd&T. This was very interesting workshop where I learned many things about mechanical drawing and design. I recommend all my friends to attend this workshop and I thank Entrova and Suman sir for guiding me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Umesh and I recently got an opportunity to attend a skill up workshop conducted by Mr. Sumant of Yantrova, Bangalore. The skill up workshop specially concentrates on GD&T, that is geometric dimensioning and tolerance. This skill is going to help you a lot as a working professional and as a student. If you are an engineering student, please go attend so that you don't miss out on this very good workshop, and you will get a lot of things to learn about GD&T under the special guidance of Mr. Sumant. As a master's student and right now as a graduate in Germany, I have gained a lot of good knowledge on GD&T due to this skill up workshop, and it is really helping me a lot to find a job. I'm getting a lot of job opportunities, and I recommend the same for every bachelor's graduate and the young professionals who are willing to extend their expertise in the field of GD&T. So please go attend this workshop at any cost. This is really helpful and it will help you a lot. Thank you. I thank Yantrova and Mr. Sumant for giving me this opportunity to learn and also recommend it to others. Thank you.
ಸುಮಂತ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಗಲಿ, ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಆಟೋಕ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋ ರೀತಿ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕಲ್ಸ್ಬೋದು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ಅದು ಅತಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ನಾನ್ ನೋಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡುವಂತ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಎಂತವನಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೋದೆ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಕಲಿಯುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಲಿಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಖಂಡಿತ ಉಪಯೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸುಮಂತ್ ಸರ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹಸನ್ಮುಖವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿದಾಯಕವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ಒಂದು ಶೈಲಿನ ಅಳವಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸುಮಂತ್ ಸರ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸುಮಂತ್ ಸರ್.
Hello, this is Monish from CMR Institute of Technology. I got an opportunity to attend skill up workshop on industrial drawing and GD&T. This was a very interesting workshop where I learned many things about engineering, drawing and design. I would recommend this workshop to all my friends. I thank Yantrava and Sumansa for guiding me through this. Thank you.
Hi, I am Suprith, research scholar, mechanical department. I would like to acknowledge and thank Mr. Sumant for his wonderful teaching, especially in GD&T workshop. He gave many practical ideas and all. So I would like to thank him a lot, and I have attended his many workshops. He has a nice teaching experience. He teaches very nicely, especially when he gives practical examples and all. So this is a video to appreciate his teaching skills. Thank you very much.
Good morning guys, my name is Morgan and I am a student of CMR Institute of Technology. As I finished my 8th sem, I was just searching for any design software centers. So I got an opportunity to attend the skill up workshop on industrial drawing and G&T. This was very interesting workshop where I have learned many things about the mechanical drawings and design. I especially thank to Yantrova and Suman sir for guiding me. I would recommend all my friends to join this workshop. It would be useful for any further upcoming days. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Sanjay Nilgar, CMRT College under the branch of Mechanical Engineering. I saw the videos of Yantra team and I joined I attended the 3 classes. It was wonderful and it was very interesting, and it will be useful for my career also, and my job of courses will train well. That was very interesting. Their workshop was very done, and it was useful for mechanical engineering also, and it will be useful for the companies who will attend in for future generation, future head, and it was very good. You also gain and join it also.
Hi, good morning. Good morning, everyone. I am Devkanth. Right now, I am in Gokarna. What I want to say is, I had a Gd&T course. I have done my Gd&T course, which was taken by Sumant sir. The teaching was excellent. He will make you understand each and everything. He is the best. So far I have seen in recent days. Like, he is the best teacher. You can ask him n number of questions and he'll make you understand each and everything. So Sumant sir rocks always. Thank you.